Hell, both those two music, or should I say a kind of music that I like very much. Hip-hop for me is very serious. Hey, the way I feel hip-hop is on a very personal level. You know? I just felt I had to say that. Anyway, who's that? Right there, blue cap and white hair. A new chap got tagged to bring your afternoon's nightmare. We might get a tap of winter life from the last lagoon. I guess the master tune make them fly like cat balloons. The sky bless my highness, call it majesty. My chest beef swollen, it was stolen from a rocket city. I get freaked by life as the moon is by night. My bright eyes like a path of doom. Fright. Why Mike had a spoon? I tried to analyze in veins, thin veins, fat cocoons, butterflies of the throat, otherwise both, but on the other hand, those that but otherwise got roast by motherland. Stretches like rubber bands. Check this, I'm suffering sketches. The shabba ranks calling. I love a man.